Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future today. Let me tell you a short story. It starts with a very confident AI agent. You give it a question, not a trick question, just something buried a little deep on the web. The agent searches, finds a page, opens it, and suddenly freezes. Too much text, too many links, too many places the answer could be hiding. And this is where most information seeking agents quietly fail. Not because they're dumb, not because they can't reason, but because the modern web isn't a book, it's a maze. Dynamic pages, buttons that reveal content, forms that unlock answers. And most agents only know how to look, not how to browse. I stumbled into this problem while reading a paper with a long name, Nested Browser Use Learning for Agentic Information Seeking. It's led by Baixuan and Jialong from Alibaba's Tongyi lab. And the moment I read it, something clicked. This wasn't about smarter models, it was about better behavior. Because if you watch a human researcher, they don't read every word on a page, they skim, they click strategically, they ignore entire sections without guilt, and they keep a running mental note of only what matters. So the big question becomes, what if agents learn to browse like that? That's the core idea behind Nest Browse. Instead of treating the web as static text, it treats browsing as a two-level process: an outer loop where the agent reasons, plans, and decides actions, and an inner loop where the agent explores a single page quietly, extracting only goal relevant information. Think of it like this: the outer loop is the detective, asking, what should I do next? The inner loop is the assistant, scanning the room and saying, these clues matter, those don't. Only the useful clues get written down. Everything else disappears. To keep this practical, the system uses just four browser actions: search, visit, click, fill. No scrolling tools, no fancy extras. That's intentional. Because every extra action increases confusion. Simplicity here isn't a limitation, it's a design choice. Here's the surprising part. When you do this right, small models suddenly punch way above their weight. Models with a fraction of the parameters start competing with massive systems, not because they know more, but because they waste less. Of course, there's a pitfall. If your goal is fuzzy, the inner loop will extract fuzzy evidence. Practical tip: be ruthless about goal clarity. A sharp goal acts like a filter. A vague goal turns the web into noise again. So maybe the future of research agents isn't just bigger brains. Maybe it's better browsing instincts. And once agents truly learn how to explore the web, this story is only getting started. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.